Welcome to SSO. This is Catlin George. I'm the designer, one of the designers here. Grant asked me to help him out with his splash guards because apparently it's too complicated for him. These are going to be the 2014 4Runner and up. These come from, like I said, Rad Rubber. He charges you half the price of Toyota, gives you a lifetime warranty, and they're twice as thick and more malleable than what comes on the factory. As you can see, Grant's on this side, on the front, have dry rotted and split apart. These are probably well on their way. So it's as easy as it's as easy as just ripping them off. He gives you all new little buttons to push in, so whether you destroy them or not, he's got you covered, and it literally probably only takes about 10 minutes to do. So we're just gonna rip the rest of these off. We'll get a little screwdriver and pull the little buttons out. You could probably do this a lot more gracefully, but I got stuff to do.
Donut, Calvin?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, man.
You can eat it you can do it while eating a donut. So if the clip doesn't come out with the splash guard, you can use a screwdriver or one of these clip tools, or you can use some pliers, maybe some snips so you can get behind it, but just don't cut all the way through it. You should be able to slip behind there and pry it out, or use a clip tool like so. Get in there. These are probably also pretty brittle from being under here with the heat and stuff, so sometimes they will crack, but for the most part they're pretty good. Alright, so here's the new one. And let's see.
Is that the right side? Nope,
oh,
hang on.
He gave me the wrong side. So there are instructions that will tell you to just look at the picture and match it up. Passenger side rear. Passenger side rear of the wheel well. It matches the old one. Matches the holes like so, and we get our little clips. These are a little different style than what was in there. Basically you push it in while it's loose, and then you secure it in when you push the little button in. So you got to kind of work it in there. I like to get them all in first, then snap them down. So we had a little trouble figuring out how this guy went in there. Because we can only see 3, it's not making sense. So what this does is it attaches up here and actually attaches to the strut tower. We had a clip still in here, so we got to get it out. So now we should be able to attach here, here, there, and it's going to come in. Like I said, he fills in every little bit of area you can. So you put another guy right there. Follow the same instructions with the little pins. This is a lot easier without a tire on. This is why we opted to do so, but it is possible to do with the wheel on if you want to squeeze your head into the wheel well. Alright, find the hole. One more. Tap it in there. Nope. Tight fit. Oh, this one might be a.
Might he be one of these?
Yeah. All right. So we need to talk about that too. So there's 2 different clips in his kit, and then sometimes there's special instructions to use. Like we're just flying through this, but we didn't take the time to read. But on this hole, he says to use a 1/4 inch fastener for this hole. All of these are 5/16. So 1/4 inch ones, he's nicely put them in a little Ziploc bag for us. They just are knurled in, and you just push them in, so they're a little bit smaller. So that's why I was having trouble right there, because I didn't read the instructions. It's probably cussing me out right now. All right, repeat the same process on the other side. Match the holes up and be observant. You can get these on our website at southernstyleoffroad.com, and I imagine they're under accessories. I don't really know.
Under Rad Rubber.
I'm sure he'll tell you underneath where they actually are. And these come from Rad Rubber. He's a good friend of ours. We've been wheeling and going to shows with him for years. He's a great guy. Cool, niche little company. and he's really solving a problem that people have. So check him out.